But the heads are a little different.
Wow. What is this? Is a sensor? Oh, it has the lights. This is good. I like this.
I gotta tell you, man, it's pretty incredible. That is way better than anything my machine can do right now.
The accuracy on this is great.
I like that. It's quiet.
This was first for me to see, and I like the way that it's finished. I mean, it looks really nice.
I'm impressed. The best thing is it doesn't make noise.
I think when people see this, their minds are gonna be blown.
Very nice. I'm really impressed.
The test with the hat was amazing.
It's gonna bring the company to a higher level. People are gonna start comparing this to gaming machines and being serious about it. Instead of trying to be like a price point comparison, it's actually gonna be like a quality comparison.
I think they're selling around 55, 60, 70, depends.
$80,000 for the 6 head machine.
This? Installation, everything?
Installation, everything.
Oh my God. Wow.
Wow. And you're getting the same quality, the same, I mean, for less money, 100% go Ricoma.